So I said, okay, I want to have a bead shape. He said, okay, what do you have in your mind? And then I made this drawing, because back then there was the magatama bead on the market, and I was explaining to him and said, okay, this and that, and this is a little bit too long, and I want it a little bit longer and slimmer, and a bead hole here, and so on. And so also the long magatama was on the market. You can see a nice drawing of the long magatama. Anyway, he kept this napkin later on. To make a long story short, he produced the RIZO bead. Then he made that bead shape, and he was asking me, how do you want to name it, and everything. And he trademarked the name. And then there was this bead. Suddenly, like 3 months later or whatever, he sent me the first batches, and I started playing with them. And this was so gorgeous. And he just said, no, you don't have to pay for that. I will produce that. I believe in you and your ideas. I would just produce this for you. And I was really very happy. And he was happy later on, because it made him more known in the market too. And so this was a win-win situation. Then I had my long drop.